Hey everyone watching, I just want to make a quick tutorial on how to fix a key fob button that has stopped working on your 20 Ford Mustang door key. So what you are going to need is something thin and flat like this clip I have, and a small piece of tin foil folded into like a small square the size of the button of the key fob. So with my key, only one button stopped working, which was the lock and unlock button. All of the other buttons were working, so I knew it was not the battery. After I opened it up, I saw that I couldn't get to the other side of the button that I wanted to fix from the inside. So then I flipped it over and found something flat to pry up the button that had stopped working. Now you're going to have to be very careful when trying to pry open the button. You don't want to rip the button off because it can easily be ripped off. You got to be careful. So you're just going to take the end of the clip or whatever you have and carefully push it into the opening on the side of the button. Remember, you should already have the foil folded and ready to be inserted behind the button. Take your clip and very carefully pry up the button just enough to have space to slide in the foil. Once the foil is in place, push the button back down. And now your key should be working fine. Voila, you just saved $300 at the Ford dealership. Because if you take your key to the Ford dealership, they're going to tell you need to buy a new key, $150, and it's another $100 and something to program the key. So if this video helped someone out, let me know by hitting that like button or comment below. Thanks for watching.